Hello students, this video is my fourth video for the chapter Final Accounts of Companies. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, I was unable to upload videos for quite some time, but I have been getting continuous requests from the students asking me to upload some more videos for this chapter, and I'll be doing it now. Let me proceed further. Now, I am going to work out a very simple and easy problem involving the preparation of the statement of profit and loss. Let me read the problem first. From the following particulars relating to Raj Company Limited, prepare profit and loss statement for the year ended 31/3/2023. Cost of materials consumed 1,20,000, revenue from operations 3,57,000, other income 23,000, employee benefit expenses 85,000, finance cost 37,000, depreciation 18,000. Provision for taxation 50% of taxable income. So this is what is the problem we have. As you can see, this is a very simple problem and it has got only few items given. Usually, whenever we prepare a statement of profit and loss, you should remember that we have 7 statements involved in it. 7 notes involved in it, starting from note number 1 till note number 7. As you all will know, the first 2 notes are revenue notes, that is income notes, and notes starting from 3 to 7 are notes relating to expenses. But as far as this particular problem is concerned, there is no need to prepare any notes at all. Usually, when there are sub-items under each and every main item, we will be preparing the relevant note. But as far as this particular problem is concerned, you are given only the main item straight away, and so there is no need to prepare any notes to accounts. So let us straight away proceed with the statement of profit and loss. One important thing which you have to remember while working out this answer is, we don't call it as a profit and loss account, we call it as a statement of profit and loss. So it's not going to have any debit side, credit side and all that. It is going to have only a statement form. So you'll be giving the heading as the company's name as far as this particular problem is concerned is Raj Company Limited, and you will be giving the heading as profit and loss statement for the year ending 31/3/2023. Usually, this statement will have 3 columns. One main column for particulars, one column for note number, and one column for amount, which will usually be represented in terms of rupees. So let us proceed with the items relating to revenue. You are already given in the problem revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. So this item only we are going to take first. So under revenue, under the heading revenue, first we are entering revenue from operations 3,57,000. And one important thing I have to tell here, if you want to do the answer correctly in the chapter Final Accounts of Companies, first of all, you should be thorough with the format of the statement of profit and loss account as well as the format of the balance sheet, because we have to work out the answer strictly according to the format only. Okay. So if you want to know the format better, if you want to have a better understanding of the format, kindly watch my previous videos relating to this chapter, in which I have very clearly explained the format relating to the profit and loss account and the format relating to the balance sheet. I will be sharing the links for those videos in this video also. Other than revenue from operation, the next item we have under the heading revenue is other income. Let us have a look at the problem. So you are given other income. So how much is other income? other income is given as 23,000. So let us enter other income here, that is 23,000. Now these two are the items relating to revenue, and let us find out the total for this, and the total will come to 3,80,000. So let me enter the total here. The total for revenue, the total of revenue will be 3,80,000. So this is what is the total revenue we have. Now let us get along with the items relating to expenses. So let us see what are the various items we have relating to expenses. Let us have a look at the problem now. So as far as expenses are concerned, you have cost of material consumed. So cost of material consumed, so that has to be entered. So cost of material consumed, that is given in the problem as 1,20,000. And again you can refer the problem. You have an item called as employee benefit expenses 85,000, then finance cost 37,000, then depreciation 18,000. All these items will come under the heading expenses now. So apart from cost of material consumed, we have the employee benefit expenses 85,000, finance cost 37,000, and depreciation 18,000. As I told you already, there is no need to prepare any note for this particular problem. Notes to accounts is not needed because you are given the final amounts relating to each and every item of revenue and expenses. That is the reason why we are not preparing any notes here. So we have to find out the total of expenses. So you are supposed to add all these items together to arrive at the total. So when you total all this, the total of expenses will come to 2,60,000. 2,60,000. So total revenue is 3,80,000. Total expenses is 2,60,000. Now we have to find out profit before tax. So profit before tax is nothing but A minus B. What is A? A refers to total revenue. And what is B? B refers to total expenses. So total revenue minus total expenses will give you profit before tax, which is nothing but 3,80,000 minus 2,60,000, which will in turn give you 1,20,000. So how will you call this 1,20,000? 1,20,000 will be called as profit before tax. Now let us see the problem once again, just to know whether we have any information relating to tax. So now when you have a look at the problem, it is given in the problem, provision for taxation is 50% of the taxable income. Okay, so we have already found out what is a profit before tax, isn't it? What is a profit before tax? It is 1,20,000. From this 1,20,000, we have to calculate 50% as provision for taxation, which we actually call as the tax expense. So how much is the tax expense? As per the problem, the tax expense is given as 50%. So on the profit of 1,20,000, we will be calculating 50%, that is 50 by 100, which will give you 60,000. So from 1,20,000, when you deduct 60,000, you will be getting a balance of 60,000, and this 60,000 will be called as the profit for the year. So how much is the profit for the year? The profit for the year is 60,000. So this is what is the final answer we have. And as I told you already, this is a very simple problem, and I hope that you are able to understand this answer well. So you can just have a look at the problem once again. Just see the problem. So this is what is the problem we have, and this is where is a very simple answer. which I have worked out.
So in this video, I have worked out a very simple problem involving the preparation of statement of profit and loss. I hope you are able to understand the answer. In my next video, I'll be working out a problem involving some adjustments. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thank you very much for watching this video.